Hi, this is Clint. Today I'm going to show you how to get from Panama City to the Panama Canal, the cheapest way. Let's go.
It's time to live in harmony. We want to live in harmony. It's time to live in harmony. We want to live in harmony. Sometimes dark ages still live in us, still full of hatred